Army robber for Ubi Franklin pikin by day oh wahala no dey finish. Welcome back to my channel. And then you wanna welcome and they go super duper welcome. Alright, so check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So today is all about the celebration galas. So Ubi Franklin and his ex-wife, you know, they had to like drop everything, all the beefy where they their belly. They don't take purge, they don't purge an art, you know, they don't reunite to celebrate their son, which is that's what it's supposed to be. You know, go carry all the things where they your belly. You won't take on spoil your picking blues just because you're not happy with waiting the papa do you. So they don't, you know, drop everything aside, come out to come celebrate their son. We be saying that's so it's supposed to be, because of say, you know, nobody say you get problem with him papa because of that. You want me the picking no enjoy, you know, fatherhood. You know what make made one day like that without a father figure, you know, makes sense. So I really thank God say they don't settle all the things, you know, we be there for their front, and now they give their son waiting in truly deserve, because if it's small bass, you know, that time the money they enter and I take no they hot, all the people were inside, then they hot, then they rain. So Ubi Franklin is on top of the wall. That's why when they gather baby mama, you know, men now. Some men no be all. When they don't see money, women na be their enjoyment. They say when they enjoy, certainly don't go put 3 other women belly. Plus in wife now, in ex-wife now, don't get 4 baby mamas. It is every time they used to carry a mock am. We get one time we even come make video, come they talk. See all those talk is driving him into depression scene and all that. But yeah, the most important thing is saying now settle with almost all the baby mamas. The only one we remain na Sandra. We just marry, you know, royal hair, their oga. Now she and him now then get small biggie, but I'm sure by God's grace they will settle them. So my career people them, no be small thing, no be time to talk about their biggie and their bass. We are here for celebration scene. Alright, so we'll see, you know, some videos of the birthday. So many things shele for Ubi Franklin pikin by day. First they catch notorious thief where they go places, go they thief. Even don't see come to thief for Ubi Franklin pikin by day. Then they don't baba more. Alright, more now watch the physio.
Don't give him this phone. Yesterday you stole. Now me tell them to release you because you were.
Oh, he stole yesterday?
Yes. In an event, yes. You want me to call them to come? These guys are idiots. Did you remember the event at near
okay, stand up. Let me see your face. You're stupid. You stole yesterday.
I did not study. I didn't see him yesterday.
See this idiot. You almost spoil my picking birthday. You get mad.
Alright, so another basketball. So for one birthday. Wow. Music executive Ubi Franklin don't come out you come call out luxury shopper where they call us say London Egbajumo, can say never in your life through my zone again. Biash. See wetin the lady do wey make Ubi Franklin call her out, because I say she writes say, dear Nigerian celebrities, Louis Vuitton does not make kids wear. Stop embarrassing yourself. Now I can sleep well. tonight. Alright, so when I know Ubi Franklin's son wear Louis Vuitton on him birthday. Now she come dey talk say make celebrities stop to dey fully theirself. Say Louis Vuitton no dey produce children wears. So if you wear Louis Vuitton, na him be say na fake one yo, no be the real Louis Vuitton, na him be that. So that one no cost we done well for Ubi Franklin Belle. It still come right say trolling a child on social media or anywhere is unacceptable. This is evil. You can't see right for down. Put her way don't break too. Say how do you post my son and troll him? So you know finish there. Ubi Franklin say come do video wey come dey talk say the woman come Naija him go arrest her on a wash.
On no account should anyone, no matter what you think you are doing, no matter the cruise you think you are catching, some people think, oh, because you're a woman, you can get away with everything. No. The fact that you're a woman should not make you stupid. You know, don't troll a child for any reason. Do not, for any reason, troll any child on social media. Okay? It's not acceptable. Take anything from this world, right? Do anything you want to do, but keep children out of it. Please. There's no way. Listen, do whatever you want to do, but take children. You see, children, take them out of your rubbish. You understand? Take them out of your useless attitude or useless thing you think you are on social media. Please exempt children out of it. Don't. Having said that, any human being born of a man or a woman, don't troll them. It's wrong. I hear what I'm saying. Don't troll a child for any reason. I know you don't. His mom, my son's mom, is very, very, very livid. You understand? And you don't try it for any reason. Do you understand? I tell you, there are people that lady is just lucky she's not close, right? If she was close, I'm sure, right? I'll get her arrested for any. If it's not today, anytime, I'll get her arrested. I must. If I know that she's in this country, I'll get her arrested, because you don't do that to a child. You posted something about a child on social media. That boy is going to grow up knowing that even when he was so innocent, he knew nothing. Right? You are trolling him on social media. This is very, very wrong. Okay, please, this is...
Jaden, carry your game. Wait, let me take a picture. Okay, Jaden, come and see everything again. Wait.
My mom is not playing.
Huh? You only play with me, okay? So sometimes you can just borrow your mommy for it.
Now, wow, which one where they can't tie them canopy? So, see, Ubi Franklin with his own canopy. Wahala, oh. And they try to recognize them. See, CMY, Jesus. The other person for the other side now, you make casual. They don't pass, come up for the. See, you make casual with green canopy. Whoa. super much for watching. And when I stay beautiful, when I'm